Finally got him down off the wall. Still got fluid in him. Yeah, baby. Yeah, it's time to bring this thing back. Oh, you done started something. Oh, you done started it. Let me see. So we're gonna go with a big bore engine on there. New clutch, carb. We're gonna go ahead and do a light painting, make sure our sprocket look good. We're just gonna do a quick paint on the plastics. You know how we gotta do extra. We might go ahead and do them brake levers over. Throttle cable, pull. Probably do another set of tires, we don't know. Paint the wheels. This is gonna be quick fun. And then we're gonna get this down and that. Big brother. Little Willie there. Then got the big brother right there. Looking pretty good. Then we got another one. Yeah. But right now it's all about this one that I'm kind of excited that I can really focus on one build, even though I'm not. But yeah. I think this will look good, man. Got a nice jet pipe on there. Clean that up. Winky wop wop. So this is the teardown of 47 Gokarts. We're gonna take it and turn it into a whole nother beast. I guess that engine's here. And they always opening my shit. It's finally here. That's a nice big head on there. Stage 3. 7 sprocket. High performance. Well, we're coming from this one to the big old one. Yes, sir. When you get this stripped down, broke down, seeing about getting it prepped and sand. And hopefully we should be riding in a few days or so, a day or so. Maybe later, but we don't want to shoot for high expectations when we want to be ready. So it's time to power wash it down. Get it prepped, ready for paint. Time to wash these off and get them sand down, prepped for paint. Now that we have it all scratched up, sanded down, all the fine grooves taken out. So now that we have the pipe disassembled, we're ready to pull the engine out. Remove the old peg, install a new engine. Clean that up some, you know, I don't like regular stuff, so. Yeah. The pipe is all done. Let that dry. We're gonna sit the motor on there. We're gonna call it a night. Now the engine's installed. Rewired up. New pegs on. Everything's looking good. We get ready for the morning. It's a beautiful afternoon. Time to get that coat put on him. My head unit's right. Finally mounted up, man. Big block business. We're gonna see how the first crank go. alive. He's alive.
A little show and tell.
Bike life shit, man.
Bike like shit. Fuck y'all
Bike
niggas
night,
talking
light
about.
night. This is what I do. Nighttime. Bike life shit, man.
Yeah.
I breathe gasoline. I talk sparks. I move flames.
We still outside.
Crank it up. What time is it?
It is.
4 in the morning?
Yeah, about 4.
We still working?
Still working. With Kizzy. With Minnie over there.
Okay now. Not too fast. Look at it.
Fox is in the building, man. We just pulling in. Cardboard box treatment. On the stand, on shelf. I ain't even run them yet. Now you see it, Tiny's officially done. Big block. Ducati. So crank him on the tip and just let him run, cause you're gonna fall off. Now you see old Fox in the building.
Oh, you see it?
Turn around, let me see. Stunt Toe Fox officially, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next you're gonna be getting that on the other logo. Fully patched right.
Fully patched right.
Yeah. Cat still in the building too. Don't get it twisted, we still Fat Tire Gang too.
Fat tire.
Still got Cat. He just upgraded, went on to Lil O. Lil Willie still in the cut. But,
Then you know you got Joker over there.
the Joker, he just big speaker. No mic.